Hi there, I'm Matt, and for a really long time, I had trouble finding the right Forex trader to invest with. I had my investment capital ready, but the problem was that I was skeptical. I was just trying to decide who I really needed to invest with. And this continued for a little while until I came across iForex Traders, and that was 5 months ago. iForex Traders gave me a very rare opportunity to invest the sum of $10,000 with them. Now today, I'm elated to be able to say that I've profited a low-risk net equity of about $97,000. Now with a completely verifiable track record of 491 trades, 84% of them were winners, 6,521 pips, and 960% ROI. iForex Traders is offering you another rare opportunity to invest with them today. Don't miss that chance. Join now.